Hey everyone! So today we are starting a new article. We are in week 3 and we are going to be starting an article this week about stress. So if we look at here, we are going to be reading about Stress Awareness Month. And we'll read through everything and answer some questions. April is National Stress Awareness Month. People can learn about stress this month. Everyone feels stress sometimes. Changes at home and school can cause stress. Trying new things can cause stress. Stress can make you feel sad, mad, or scared. You can do activities to feel less stress. You can talk to a parent about stress. You can talk to a school counselor too. A school counselor works in a school. So, those are the 4 pages. So I'm going to actually go back to the first page so that we can, sorry, that was page 2. Okay, so just to review really quickly, because stress is kind of something that we all feel, but we don't talk about, or at least I haven't talked about at school very often. So the month we're currently in is April, and this is every month has different things that people focus on. And so April in particular is about stress. And national means that this is all in our whole country. Our whole country is kind of being more aware about stress. And this week we're going to be learning a lot about stress. And stress is more, if you feel a little anxious, a little worried, overwhelmed, lots of things are going on. And so here it says changes at home and school can cause stress. And so us being at home because of the coronavirus and trying not to get sick or get other people to get sick, these are big changes and these can make people worried. And by feeling stressed, you might feel like you're sad or mad or scared. You don't know what's going on. You don't want to be home. You're bored. All of these things are totally okay. It's okay to feel this way. And you can do activities to feel less stress. So maybe some people like to play video games. They like to color or play with Legos or read or just relax, watch TV. Any of those things are okay to help people feel less stress. You can talk to a parent about stress. You can talk to a school counselor too. So, um, if you're living with your mom or dad, you can definitely talk to them if you're feeling sad or mad or bored or unhappy or worried. And also the school counselor. So the 6th grade school counselor is Mr. Dale. We have Miss Gibson, our 7th grade counselor, and Miss Urena, our 8th grade counselor. And those people are always available to talk to people, but you can also talk to me. Well, if you ever need anything, I'm always available. You can talk to me through the Google Classroom, or you can have your mom or dad text me or call me, and we can have a chat on FaceTime or on the computer. Any of those things can, whatever we can do to make you feel better.